If you take G3 EMath, have you ever wondered what's the difference between mutually exclusive and independent events under the chapter of probability? Now, typically these two concepts are introduced to students in Sec 4 under chapter 3 of probability. And students always confuse between these two. So I'm going to explain it using a very simple Venn diagram over here. So what mutually exclusive basically means is that two events cannot happen at the same time. So you can see there is no overlap, which means that they cannot happen at the same time. Okay, that's what mutually exclusive means. Whereas for independent events, it means that they can technically happen at the same time, right? So there's an overlap over here, which means that they can happen technically, can technically happen at the same time. But when they do happen at the same time, right, the probability of one event happening does not affect the other, right? So over here, let's say this is event A, this is event B. The overlapping area will be probability of A intersect B, right? A intersect B, which would be the same as probability of A, which is the probability of just A happening, multiplied by the probability of B happening, right? You can see that we are taking both probabilities as a whole and just multiplying them to each other. And therefore, since we can use the whole values together and not just minus anything away from it before we actually multiply them together, they do not affect each other. The probability of each event happening independently is still the same, and that's why we call them independent events. So these are the two main biggest distinctions between mutually exclusive and independent events that all Sec 4 EMath students need to know and clarify before you take your next exam. And if you're still confused under the chapter of probability, I filmed the whole course teaching you the whole probability chapter from the scratch up, along with every single other chapter in the whole EMath syllabus. And if you want to get access to that course, just WhatsApp this number over here and I'll send you a demo link to show you how the library of A1 Math Academy actually works, and also a info kit to provide you more information of how our online learning portal actually works to support your learning together with our 24/7 premium marketing service. And with that said, I look forward to see you on WhatsApp over here.